Ever felt sluggish during the day? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with energy dips, but there's good news. Certain superfoods can help boost your energy naturally. First on our list of energy-boosting superfoods is the humble banana. Packed with potassium and natural sugars, bananas offer a quick energy boost that lasts. The fiber in bananas helps slow down sugar digestion, keeping your energy levels stable. Next, we have avocados, a true all-rounder. Filled with nutrients, protein, and fiber, avocados provide sustained energy throughout the day. The healthy fats they contain also enhance nutrient absorption, so you get the most out of your meals. And don't overlook goji berries either. These tiny red gems are loaded with antioxidants and known for their anti-aging properties. They're like bite-sized energy boosters. An apple a day not only keeps the doctor away, but also wards off fatigue. High in antioxidants called flavonoids, apples fight oxidative stress and inflammation, providing lasting energy. Strawberries, rich in minerals, vitamin C, and essential antioxidants, help your cells create energy. They're a sweet and guilt-free snack that keeps you going. Oranges, packed with vitamin C, not only reduce oxidative stress but also prevent fatigue. They're a zesty pick-me-up that can boost your mood. Berries such as blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are nature's candy. Full of antioxidants, vitamins, and natural sweetness, they're a great choice when your sweet tooth calls. Maca, a superfood powder derived from a root, is known to boost energy, improve stamina, and enhance vitality. A spoonful in your smoothie or oatmeal can do wonders. Spirulina, a blue-green algae, is rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. It's an energy-boosting ingredient that can be added to your morning green juice. Finally, chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They're a great addition to your diet if you're looking for sustained energy. So, there you have it. The top 10 superfoods to boost your energy. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet, staying active, and keeping hydrated are all essential elements of maintaining high energy levels. Stay energized, and see you in the next video.